Welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being part of this family. If you're new, thank you for stopping by. Hopefully by the end of this video you will decide to join us here, where I bring you DIY techniques, easy, affordable, classy DIY techniques to just transform your life. That's all I do. I just give you the techniques and I say you do it yourself. Now, what am I bringing to you today? Last week I started a bathroom makeover. I'm actually shooting from my bathroom. I did this mirror framing using a ceiling cornice, and I put up the video. If you haven't got to see that, I will link it up here, and I will also put it at the end. You can go see that. And so today's video was inspired by part of the bathroom makeover. I've been collecting bottles, and people have been wondering, why the hell do you collect bottles? I love bottles in different shapes.
The reason why I collected these particular ones is because of the different shapes. I don't know, I've just had this fascination of collecting bottles, guys. And I've always known that I will do something with them.
You don't even have to use bottles. What I also did was I have some old vases that I no longer fit my style. I'm one person who likes to reinvent not only myself but my space. You know, sometimes all you need to do is a different piece of furniture, a different piece of new item, and sometimes you don't even have to buy something new. You can just spray paint an old thing, bring new life to it, so that you can start to enjoy your home. I transformed them to make this beautiful decorative pieces of art that you can also use. So today I'm going to show you guys how to do this. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Comment down below, like the video, share it, and hey, go and transform those bottles before you throw away those lockdown empty bottles. I hope you enjoy this video.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just boil some water and soak these in so that I can peel all these papers off. My son is making a lot of noise, and then we will start our little project. All right, let's do this. This is how the bottles are looking like now, having been peeled. What I'm gonna do now is I'm going to paint these with white oil paint. So just coat them with white oil paint. So this is how they look with the first coat. Guys, listen, if you want to do this right, you're gonna have to be patient. There are no shortcuts. Please don't try and shortcut it. Be patient. Do this, and then after this you can just put it outside so that it dries up, and then later you can come back and you do your second coat. Alright guys, so for the next part of this, you're gonna need a bucket, well, a container that you can put water in. It needs to be big enough to put your bottle sort of like lying down, because we're gonna sort of like dunk it into this water bucket. You'll see the process. I also have some spray paints. I have these particular ones because of the theme I'm going for in my place. I have gold, I have black, and I have this, what is this? It's like a lavender kind of color, lilac. So this is what I'm going to be working with. but you guys can obviously have different colors depending on the kind of theme you're going for. All right guys, so what we're gonna do now, this really involves a bit of more like science, you know. Oil and water don't usually mix. We're gonna start by spray painting a bit of this black spray paint into the water. Since water and oil don't mix, the spray paint is just floating on top. Now what you need to do is you need to make patterns. You need to make patterns with a stick, and then take the bottle. You take the bottle and you put it in, and just let it go around and around and around and around and around. Can you see that? Check that pattern out. Check that pattern out that's making on the bottle. Now something I want to show you. So depending on how much spray paint you put, you can get a thick black coat, or you can get a more subtle one. So it really depends on you and what you're going for. I would say make some bottles dark and some, see, this one is half. It's really up to you what you do. And then the next part, I'm gonna take the gold spray paint. The theme of my living room is gold, dark wood, so say black and white. So I'm gonna do that white, black and gold. Check that out. Can you guys see that gold? Can you see how it looks? Stunning. And there we have it, guys. Look at this stunning. Look at that. Stunning, beautiful. So guys, don't throw away those bottles yet. You too can get this beautiful bottles to decorate your home with. You know, the patterns are different depending on which side you're looking at. All from empty alcohol bottles.
So I hope you enjoyed the video. Join me next week as I do the final reveal, the final piece of the bathroom, where I show you how it has come together. Thank you, enjoy, and have a blessed day. See you next time.